I know you're probably wondering what it's like to go from 0 to 100k per month, and honestly, this journey is anything but easy. By the way, I haven't actually hit 100k per month. This is me sharing my journey to my goal. And if you're somebody who wants to take that leap, I want to share exactly what I've learned and what I've been doing for the past 20 days to reaching my goal. So for the past 3 weeks, I've been documenting everything that I've been doing to reach 100k per month on my YouTube channel and on Instagram. And yeah, I'm doing this while working a 9-to-5 job. So it's safe to say that it's been a struggle, but also a very huge learning experience. Before we get started, I just want to share a little bit about my personal story. So, hi, my name is Guillermo, and I'm 23 years old, just like you. And I wanted to make something happen. All this started because I was sick and tired of just working a 9-to-5 job and getting nowhere and living paycheck to paycheck, basically like everybody else. And I've always wanted to make money online, and I've also started business in the past that failed horribly. But I never give up in anything that I do. So I want to have a fresh start and start from the beginning, and this time actually commit, which is a word that I really love, and we're going to talk about that later on in this video. So what happened? I didn't have a plan. What I did have was a ton of ambition and belief, and I believed that if I worked hard enough, things will start to happen. But here's the thing, life does not work like that, and it's very easy to fall into a routine and forget about the bigger goal. And that's exactly when I decided I'm gonna start documenting everything that I do to reach my goal and push through. In the past 3 weeks, I posted a video every single day, whether I felt it or not. And trust me, some days I didn't feel like doing anything, but I kept showing up, working on content, improving, just pushing past that comfort zone. Some days have been brutal, honestly, but there were moments when you start seeing small results, like getting some more views or even one extra subscriber, and those were the days that motivated me enough to keep pushing forward. It's those little wins that remind us why we are doing this. Because it's so easy to forget about the bigger goal. Every day life goes on and you have things that you go through and problems that everybody has in their lives. So you forget about what you're doing and why you are doing it, which is most importantly. So if you are in a similar position that you want to quit or you haven't even started, then just remind yourself why you started and why you want to do this. And just know that this place that you are right now is just normal and everybody goes through it. This is day 18 for me of posting every single day on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts until I reach 100k per month, and I'm not even where I wish I was. And I haven't accomplished my goal yet, but I'm still showing up and I'm still trying to work my best and put as much effort as I can into this, and hopefully one day I can look back on these days and realize how much I come through. Listen, let me tell you something. It took me years to realize what I'm about to tell you, but I'm gonna tell it to you in the next 30 seconds. You don't have to be the best. You don't have to be the smartest. You don't have to be even special. You don't have to have anything either. And I was very wrong to think that I needed all these things to make progress and make money. And all you need to do is just commit. Commit to right now, today, to show up. Commit to showing up every single day and working and improving on your content. Whatever it is that you want to do, if you start today, you're gonna be shit at it. That's just the harsh truth. No matter what you do, you're not going to be perfect and people won't even care. Because why should we care? Why people should care about what you have to say or what I have to say? Nobody cares. So the point is, if you keep speaking, if you just keep sharing your thoughts, if you keep working hard on whatever it is that you want to do, people will eventually start to listen and you will attract more viewers and more people. If you're trying to grow a business or grow on Instagram or YouTube or whatever it is that you want to do, you just have to do one thing. Just keep showing up. Commit. Work every single day. No matter if you feel like it or not, no matter if it's hard or difficult, just do it. And give it your 100%. 1%, that's all you need. You just need 1% every single day. You just need to be 1% better than yesterday. If you can do that, if you can just keep showing up and keep working hard and get 1% better every single day, in a month or 2 months or 3 months from now, you will find yourself closer to your goals. You're gonna look back and realize how much you've learned, how much you come through. And even if you haven't accomplished anything, it's okay because you have gone through so much. You've learned experiences, you've learned things, and that's what matters. That's the 1%, because now you have something you can work with. Now you know what to do. So my advice to you is just show up today and do the work that you need to do. That's it. It's really that simple. You won't accomplish your goals today or tomorrow. Nobody did it in one day. You know, when people say, I got $1 million or I got rich in one day, or here's how I did this, here's how I did this, that one day, that's what they show. And that's what you think you can do as well. But they don't show the years before that in order to have that one day when everything changes. That's lesson number 1. Lesson number 2 is discipline. You gotta get yourself disciplined no matter what. It's very hard to follow a routine or to follow your goals if you're not disciplined. There's no other way of me saying this. You just have to get disciplined. And how can you get disciplined? Well, write down exactly on a piece of paper what you want to do, your goals, your dreams, I don't care, whatever it is that you want. And every single day that you're gonna wake up, you're gonna read that piece of paper to yourself. You're gonna read exactly what you wrote on, so then that way you don't forget and you start your day with that mindset of, I wrote this down, I have to follow this, I have to do this. It's not about I need, I have to. You gotta take life seriously. This depends on your life. If you actually want to get financial independency and do something that doesn't require you to wake up every single day and start hammering nails down in the freezing cold and in the mud like I do, well, you're gonna have to take life seriously and just realize that if you don't do this for every single day for the next 3 years, then your whole future, your whole life is going to be exactly like it is right now. And that's very difficult to put in the mind and really understand it, because we go on about our days every single day and we forget the bigger goal. We forget that, oh, it's okay to skip one day. Oh, it's okay to do this, it's okay to do that. No. Every single day, 1%, that's all you need. But just do the work today that you need to do, and then you can relax. Then you can actually eat your food in peace. Also, another thing why you need to be disciplined is because you're gonna have to balance so many things every single day, and that requires a calm and peaceful mind and a disciplined person. Because you're going to have your daily job, a 9 to 5. You're going to have your parents, your friends, whoever you have in your wife, your husband, whatever it is that you're going to have to balance all that while also chasing your dreams and your goals. That's why you have to be disciplined. You have to prioritize things, okay? If you spend most of the day at work like I do, that's fine. When you come back, how do you spend the rest of your day? Yes, you're tired. I am tired. So is everybody else. What matters is, are you actually doing the work that you're supposed to do every single day? I come home from work every day and I'm tired and exhausted, but I'm still here making videos, creating content, shooting and editing, which takes hours. I still do it though, because I love doing this. That's very important as well. But also, this is my life. This is my future. Everything depends on what I do now. This video, all the work, all the research, all the late nights and the sleepless nights and whatever, all of that through a long period of time equals to progress and winning. That's how winning is done. Advice number 3 is that in the end, it's not always about the money. It's about proving to yourself that you can do it and you can stay consistent to what you want. The process isn't easy and it doesn't happen overnight. But I'm here to show you that even if you are working a 9 to 5 shitty job, it's still possible to accomplish your dreams and your goals. You can still make progress and build something bigger. By the way, I know I have been gone for a long time, about 3 months now, but I'm back and I just want to make this video to motivate you guys and help you a little bit in whatever it is that you're going through. So leave me a comment in the comments down below, or if you like this style of videos, if you want me to do something different. I know in the past I've been doing reaction videos, and I like doing that because I love to talk and I like being on camera, but also, I need to make vlogs, I can start doing that. So yeah, just comment down below if you like this type of videos, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.